أبنيكو أدي أنت تقبر لغن لومي أمنا رجعوي.
Oh, Abuna Regawi, the saint who built a monastery on top of a mountain, climbing, holding on to a huge snake sent by God, and that's why we celebrate it every 14th of the month.
Managiriki, كله 7 days of it. I just learned it from my 2024 calendar. Don't tell anyone. أما خيره أبهيك صرح أدي لو ميتصوميو. All the Tewahado and Muslim fasts are also clearly marked, so you won't need this anymore.
Warning: side effects may include clarity, understanding, loss of confusion, connection with your culture. If you experience any of these changes, contact your family immediately. It is highly contagious.
Culture is cool.
There's only a few copies available. Pre-order yours on semikids.com.